Yeah, I'm telling you. It's about to be an attack of the birds. I'm coming. Be a little Garfield. Oh, there's no time for this. Again. With these birds. Alright, come on, baby Garfield. Do y'all hear this? What are you doing here, little baby Garfield? How'd you get away from your owner? We play games every day on the way to and from the bus. On the way up, we play Undertale, she sands. And on the way back, we usually play that she's a baby animal, and I find her and take her home with me. Okay. Did y'all hear these birds, though? Might sound nice and peaceful, but in real life, it's kind of scary. Hi, baby Garfield. Where did you come from?
Oh, I'm a baby deer.
Oh, baby deer, that's my favorite.
I'm playing
That's crazy.